Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by using an administrator account and connecting the external drive. You need enough free space for files or a full system image. Once connected, open Control Panel and choose Backup and Restore, Windows 7, or go to Settings and search Backup. Make sure you pick File History for personal files or System Image for entire drive recovery. Choosing correctly saves time later. Now click Setup Backup or create a system image and proceed to the next configuration step. You now configure what gets backed up and why each choice matters. Select the destination drive first and pick a schedule, daily if you change files often, weekly for steady systems. Once the destination is set, decide whether to include a system image for complete recovery or just folders that matter to you. System images take more space but restore everything. Then review included libraries, desktop, and system folders, and exclude temporary or large media files to save space. When satisfied, click Start Backup or Create. You finish by monitoring the backup progress and making sure it completes without errors. A finished timestamp is your confirmation. Once done, test restoring a single file or folder to verify integrity and that you know the restore flow. This prevents surprises during an emergency. Make a second copy or rotate drives for redundancy. If the backup fails, check that the drive is formatted NTFS, confirm you have administrative permissions, and review the Event Viewer backup logs for specific error codes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.